Hello everyone, welcome again back to my channel. So today's video I'll be telling you the spiritual benefits of thyme and honey. So these two are going to do wonders to your spiritual life and your physical life, like generally. So in case you are new here for the first time, you're so welcome, and you will surely be blessed in this channel. This channel is about spiritual work and natural stuffs. So this work we're going to do right now is for those that need, if you want to get married, if you need happiness in your marriage, if you want favor, if you need success for business booming, this is for it. Okay, if you have been experiencing disappointment generally in your life, so without wasting time, let's just go straight and I'll show you how you can use honey and thyme for your own benefits. I'll be sharing with you the spiritual benefits of thyme and honey. So these two, when mixed together, will help your spiritual life in a way that everything will start turning around for the best. So in case you need good health, if you are always falling sick, or if you want success in everything you do, if you want business boom, if you want favor, if you need marriage, if you want to get married, not about getting married, guys, it's about staying married. You want to get married to the right husband, to the right wife, okay? You can use these two to get what you want. If you need money, you want to, you need financial favor, you can use this to obtain that. For protection, this will help you a lot. This is a spiritual work and you have to pay attention and make sure you follow with the steps and everything will work for you. So, spiritual controls physical. There are many forces beyond our knowing, okay? And this spiritual work will help a lot to drive away negative energies from you. This will help to bring back your loved ones. This will help to bring favor. Like, it's going to help men to favor you, like bring people that will favor you. If you have been experiencing disappointment, as I said earlier, this will help you. So what you have to do is to get thyme. Go to where they're selling all these herbs and spice for making food, for cooking. You just have to get thyme. You don't really need too much, just a little goes a long way. Then you have to get original honey. Here is original honey. Make sure it's original, because if you use the fake one, this work will not be effective. So if you can get original one, that would be good. So you just have to get any amount of thyme. This is also good for those that need happiness in their marriages. If you want your partner to love you more always, to favor you, to spend more for you, you can use this and it will work for you. If you want your partner to prosper in whatever he or she is doing, this can help. So what you have to do is to, add honey into this. Honey enough to cover it up. Just like this. As you can see, this is original honey. It's not black. Original honey is like golden brown, okay? Just like this. It's not black. So this is original. So what you have to do next is, honey is very sweet. And that is how everything about you, your life will be sweet. And thyme is also very natural. It's a herb that brings in positivity into people's life. Okay? So adding these two together is going to make your life very sweet and everything will start moving well for you. As I said before, you have to add enough honey to cover it up. This is not enough. I'm still going to add more, okay? Just add more like this. Cover the thyme. So when you are done doing this, you have to store it in a can. You have to store it in a container that has cover. Just cover it up and leave it like that for 7 days. Do not make use of this straight away. You have to cover it tightly and store it for 7 days. Okay, so after 7 days, you just have to bring the container, open it, and mix it again like this. Okay, mix it up. So this is how to use it. After 7 days, you have to get your bucket of water. If you want to have your bath, you just have to get it, add some amount into the water. Just little goes a long way, just like this. Add it into the water that you want to use in bathing. Then you start mixing it inside the water. Okay, mix it very well. You start asking God for whatever you want. If you need a lifetime partner, if you need happiness in marriage, if you want favor, success, anything, good health, business boom, anything you want, you just have to be praying into the water. That one is aside. Then you have to get some amount like this, place it in your palm like this, and you pray upon it. After praying, asking for what you want, then you lick it. You have to lick it. Okay, finish everything. So this is going to work from the inside, and this is going to work on the outer part. So when you are done bathing with it, the one in the water and the one you are going to lick, you will start seeing how things will be moving for you. You bathe with it for 3 days or 1 week in a month, not every day. Okay, you can decide to use it for just 3 days and stop. You can decide to use it from the first day to 7 days. This is very natural. It's not fetish. If you are seeing your period, you can use it. If you are anything, any day, you can make use of it. Any day, be it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday, you can make use of this. Just follow on with the steps, and you see how this is going to do to your life by the grace of God. Everything will be moving well for you. If you have been having attacks or failures, disappointments, all those things will be over. So you just have to do this the right way, and you'll be blessed. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, and I'll see you in my next video.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척